my name is Morag McIntosh and I am Solution Lead for Live Production Control at the BBC, which means I look after all of the systems through which we make live content all over the BBC.
I'm Justin Grayston. I lead customer engineering for telco, media and entertainment in the UK and Ireland.
So this project is AI agents in live production. And what we're looking at is building an agentic ecosystem where we'll effectively have a crew of AI agents to assist our skilled operators in live production. So where we've automated a lot of processes in live TV, we've also taken operators' ability to have their heads up and in the program away, because we forced them to be looking down at keyboards, mice, touchscreens, and dealing with a range of actions through which they are busy transmitting their program. What we want to do is really bring AI into the mix there to assist them in what they're doing.
So this year's project, we're kind of trying to make what we proved as a concept last year into something that can actually be used. Well, that's what we want to try, and is have something that's really robust, have an agent that a director can use to not only control cues and the program, but also interact with other systems. It's an ambitious goal, but getting the latency down, using voice, using visual UI as well. And I think what it will do is reduce the cognitive load inside live broadcast. But what's interesting for me as well is, like, while we're working with BBC and ITN, and we're kind of testing in news broadcast control rooms, how does this actually impact somebody who wants to go and do other broadcasts in the field where there may be only one of you, right? And you may have multiple cameras, you may have multiple people with microphones. How do you set up your program and be able to do this with one rather than with multiple people? If you can reduce the need for having multiple people and have AI that can help you, I think it means that we can bring more live broadcasts, live news, live sports, at a more regional level, right? It's the mindset. The mindset really, really does work with the project of really trying to push the boundaries, trying to work out where the technology is slowing us down or where it can speed us up, how to change things, how to break things quickly and then fix them. I think that's one thing that really, really works well with Q's and the team. The second thing is it's a very progressive system, right? There are standard systems that have been around for a long time. And because it's new, it means that actually you can be more flexible with your user base, bring more new features, and have a slightly different attitude to the way technology can impact broadcast.
The tech is moving so fast, it's moving at lightning speed. One of the challenges of this accelerator is keeping up with that fast developing technology. So it's hard to say when we would use this sort of technology in live production, but I can see already it's going to be really exciting.